Have you noticed that work emails are starting to sound weirdly perfect? I don't mean they're bad. Most of them are clear, polite, and technically well written. But sometimes you read an email and you can almost feel that it went through ChatGPT first. The wording is a little too smooth, the tone is a little too careful, and even a simple message starts to sound like a tiny press release. I get why people do it. Nobody wants to spend 20 minutes making a basic email sound professional. But when everyone uses AI to polish their writing, every message starts to feel like it came from the same invisible coworker. Sometimes I don't want the perfect version. I just want the normal version. Something that sounds like a real person.